Hi guys, welcome to Watkins Way. Today we're in Alaska. We're about 100 miles north of Anchorage, and I have my friend that flew in from Japan. Tomi, come in.
Hi.
Tomi flew in from Japan yesterday. We both landed like 15 minutes apart, and we're visiting our friends, Yuki and Dave, on Big Lake is the name of it. So what we're going to do today, we're going to make a orange juice cake.
Orange juice cake.
This was my mom's recipe from like 100 years ago. So what I want you to do is we're going to use, put in yellow cake mix. The whole box is going to go in here. And you're going to do a box of this. So we're going to add all that to that. Then we're going to add in a cup of orange juice. And then we're going to add in 4 eggs. And half a cup of oil that I filled up too much for you. But we're going to do that. So if you want to open that up and just start adding it in. And what we're going to do is we'll mix all this together. We're going to put it in a Bundt pan. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and then we're going to cook it for about 40 minutes. Then we're going to make a glaze, and the glaze is going to be a cup of sugar, half a cup of orange juice, and a stick of butter. I use a stick of butter in everything I do. Stick of butter or a couple ounces of bourbon, the 2 B's. So anyway, let's get busy fixing.
This one?
Yep. And then we want to mix in vanilla pudding. Put the whole thing in.
Wow.
I know. That's going to be good. That's going to be good though.
So very interesting.
Yeah. I'll just tear that open. And since I screwed this up, I'm going to add the oil. I told her I need a half cup of oil. She held it up and I overflowed it.
So
That's all right.
is it missing?
Put the eggs in.
Eggs and
And a cup of orange juice. And let's just use this mixer. Is it plugged in?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
I did.
Okay.
It's orange juice.
Orange juice. No,
This one?
no, yeah, a cup. That half a cup is for the glaze.
Oh yeah.
All right. Oops. I've done this before. So. Did you get that? So tell me, can you spray?
Okay.
Now we're going to pour. You just kind of turn the pan around and twist it a little bit like a lazy Susan, and I'm going to pour all this in there. We've got this all filled up. We've got our oven preheated at 350 degrees. So I'm going to open the door. You put it in, and we're going to cook it in the oven. You can put it on the top rack.
What's it now?
Yeah, just set it in there. That's good. And we're gonna set the timer. Have you set a timer on your phone for 40 minutes?
For you, okay.
Okay.
I did.
Yeah. 40 minutes, and then that's our orange juice cake. That was my mom's recipe. My mom actually published a couple of cookbooks, and she owned 2 restaurants. So this is an original recipe. It's not something that she got from somebody else. Orange juice cake with my friend Tomi.
Yes.
All right, we'll be right back when it's done. Thanks, bye. Okay, and Tomi, we're gonna make the glaze. And the glaze, we're gonna melt a stick of butter. And then we're gonna add a cup of sugar. So go ahead and put the sugar in. And we're gonna add a half a cup of orange juice. And then I'm just going to set this on the stove. Can you get this over here on the stove? Gonna mix everything together. Okay, it's been 40 minutes. So Toby, you want to come in here and take it out of the oven for me?
Okay.
And let's check it out and see if it's done.
Oh, so looks so
It looks good.
delicious. Looks good.
Just set it on here.
Oh, wow.
Why don't you? I always just put a knife in it, and if it comes out clean, it's done. You want to do that?
Yep. This one?
Yeah, let's just see if it comes out clean. I think it's done.
Good.
Yeah, it looks good. All right, so now we're gonna make a glaze. Our glaze is a half a cup of orange juice, a cup of sugar, and a stick of butter. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes. Then we'll put this pan on top of it, and then we'll flip it over, and then our glaze is right here. So what we'll do is just, you and I'll take a spoon each and spoon it on the cake. So you're doing really good. What's the difference between Tokyo and here? 15 hours?
Yeah, no, 70 hours.
17 hours? I flew from Orange County, 1 hour difference, and I was worn out yesterday afternoon. She flies 17 hours and she's normal. It didn't even affect her, so it's amazing. So anyway, all right, so we're gonna let this set for about 15 minutes, and then we're gonna flip it over and have some orange juice cake. Okay, we've taken our cake out of the oven. We let it sit here for about 20 minutes. Toby's making the glaze, which is half a cup of orange juice, a stick of butter, and a cup of sugar. So she's making the glaze. Can you do me a favor?
Okay.
Can you put this over here and then flip it over?
Hi.
I don't want it.
You don't want?
I've been drinking. I can't do it. So.
This one?
Yep. Flip it over.
1, 2,
3. There you go.
That's good?
Yep. All right. See if you can.
Oh.
Yeah. It's gonna look.
Oh, yes.
Oh, it's gonna look perfect. All right.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Well, that's okay. That's okay.
Sorry.
All right. So here's what I want to do when I put the glaze on. So we're gonna punch little holes in the cake.
Yeah.
And then you can do that. I'm gonna come over with the glaze. And you and I, Mr. Cameraman, can I have this? I do that all. I do it like all of it. So we're just gonna spoon the glaze on the cake like this. You glaze it, I'll drink mine. How do you say cheers in?
Cheers. Kanpai.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What?
Cheers. Kanpai.
Kanpai?
Yeah, cheers.
Oh, cheers. Okay. I didn't know. All right, I think that looks pretty good. You did a good job.
Good. Thank you.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Toby's got to have no jet lag at all, even though she flew here from Tokyo, 17-hour difference. And I was in worse shape than she was, and I only came 6 hours. So anyway, we're up here 100 miles north of Anchorage on Big Lake, and we're being entertained by our good friends, Dave and Yuki Sherman. Take care, guys. Please subscribe. We'll see you later.